is Tumpak, and before me, Mr. Sumit sitting. And now it get started some asking a question sessions. Okay, so tell me, how would you describe the current state of education in Bihar?
Well, it's not very tough to define the status of whatever of education that is available in Bihar, because it is considered as like a most backward state in the country. Without, if I talk about the ancient time, it was not, because Bihar was a hub of education. People from foreign, they used to come here, but situation got worse because of some people. Because some people, what happens when you get success, then some people starts pulling you back. The same happened with Bihar. In the Bihar, there was a university that was well known, that was Nalanda University. And introducer came Bihar and they destroyed the whole university. And after that, it became tough for Bihar to improve their condition. The same, if I talk about this time, the situation of education in Bihar, then it's worse. Not of the people, because of the leader are not giving the priority. Because now what is happening here, they are just making the people fool for just getting votes. They often tells us, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, I'm hiring teachers, I have made strict rules, our students are going there, we are giving some money, we are giving dress, we are giving cycle, everything is provided in, means on paper or on every leader tells that I provide everything, but still there is not such condition of education is available in Bihar.
But who is responsible? I think only leader.
Yeah, leaders are responsible, because why do made anyone a leader? Why is the need of a leader? Because we give all the responsibility to that person, that he will lead us. Because every time we don't know what to do and how to do, that's why we put a leader. Means if I talk about our house, then in our house there too is a leader that is considered as a major person of that house. The same, if we are making any person a leader of anywhere, then it is utmost priority that he will get everything whatever that is needed. But the leader of Bihar are not educated, especially they are not educated. Then how can I think about that they will try to get us educated?
I think it's teachers also included in this. Like teachers gets higher, but they can't teach proper way. That's the reason now. You say like a leaders fault, but what about teachers?
Teachers should be hired a basis on the skills, not on the basis of merits. Because what happens, they are hired how many marks they got in their examination in 10th, in intermediate, how many marks they got, according to that they are hired. But this type of thing should not be, because the students should tout a skills rather than syllabus. Because we find that syllabus doesn't help us for a long time, because we know that in India, especially not only in Bihar, in India there is a less employment. And if there is less employment, then only jobs could not be the way by which we can earn. We must try to get into different things. Because if I see the most richest person in this world, then you will find no any single person who got rich by the studies or job. Someone would be entrepreneur, someone would be investor, means a lot of, but most would be entrepreneur, businessman. No one will find the same. They have made a skill, but in India, in Bihar, they do not focus on like creating a skills in students. Like what happens, they just keep us in a dark, that we should
They think
not.
only they getting a good marks. Only they depend only marks.
Yeah, marks also matters. What happens in Bihar especially, means the students are given marks, I don't know what basis of they are given, because of students who didn't study still they got better marks than the students who studied. Then it becomes tough for us to understand that our education system is good or not.
I think teachers' faults also, because a teacher don't want to teach in a government school, and like leaders only selects you due to merits. But what about teacher? They get hired teaching for a student, but they don't teach in a proper way. They using a smartphone in a government school. They pass their time. I think they don't know what is their responsibility. So it should be considered. I think teacher also responsible for those things.
Yeah, it's not hidden that a lot of teachers go in a school and they use a smartphone, they sleep, sometimes they do some household work, sometimes they bunk their class, they don't teach. But it doesn't mean that they should not be hired teacher. First of all, everyone should be hired on the basis of a skills, on the talent whatever they have. Like they have, because what happens now, we hire someone by the basis of their knowledge. We don't hire that how can he give, because we never see that person is capable of giving anyone or not. Because knowledge everyone has knowledge in this world. No one, I can't consider that anyone has not knowledge. Everyone has knowledge, but the matters change here when there is a, when we think about the teacher. A teacher should be like that, he can put everything in a student's mind. This is the reality.
The
But
main
we don't
reason
find
a teacher don't want to do anything. They don't want to do they don't take any risk. They think now what happened. It's like a continue. They don't want to take any risk. That's the reason. Teacher they think now what happened. Government only pay like a teachers they thinks like a government pay salary. It's good. They don't take any risk. When teacher takes risk, then I think our education system should be changed. Sorry, Will.
First of all, I would like to say, if such type of situations are happening, like it is happening in Bihar, then I would suggest one thing, that every school should be in surveillance, and the access should be on the district magistrate, because we all know that everyone could not be the same. If the access would have on the district magistrate DM, then any teacher would come in the class will not do such kind of things. Because what happens, because if there would be a person to keep eye on you, then you will walk. What if there will be no any person who is behind you and who will give you pressure, then you too will be in a comfort zone. Because human have that nature, they want to be in their comfort zone. Till they will not pushed, they will not work. The same, I think that every school, every colleges in Bihar should be in surveillance, and the access should have at that person who is literate and who has such power that they can handle. The same, if such type of access should be taken, then I think that conditions would be good. No one would use a smartphone, no one would do riff-raff, and no one talk first in the class. The same, it's all.
Okay. And next questions. What is the condition of educational infrastructure in Bihar?
I know that in Bihar especially, every time it happens that sometimes in any government school, sometimes the roof falls down, sometimes the wall collapses, sometimes the whole school flow in the flood. Like it happens in Bihar because of what happens. The contractor, they are given money, they are given bribe for just using cheap products, because there is a hand of everyone, not only single. I can add that a contractor, because if corruption is happening, then everyone is involved in this. The same, if infrastructure is not good in Bihar, then I would totally blame leaders, because they do not find a better inspection.
Leaders in education also faults of leaders, in infrastructure also faults in leader. And what about teachers? I think principal takes money, and I think it's a totally responsibility of principals.
So first of all, if we are talking about here principal, then principal is not permanent in any school. They get away from any school, because they are not still at one place, because we all know that every government employee gets transfer. The same, it doesn't depends upon the principal. I know that principal can take what action he can take, that he can complain that this school has very bad infrastructure and it should be rebuilt. The same they can do. But what will happen then, again will happen, like they will use cheap products, because you don't know now what should be used. Because if you are a teacher, then you don't know how to make a house. You are good in your field but not in others. The same, the government should hire that person who are best in that, because what happens when inspection team comes there, they are given bribe. Because they will tell them that, oh, this house has made, this building is very good, it is fine, every better product quality is used here. So the same, I can't blame the principal, because the principal has not such type of capability that he can measure that this brick is not good quality, this sand is not good quality, this cement is not good quality. Then I can't blame the principal. It totally depends upon the leader, that they whatever the officer they hire for inspection, they take bribe.
It's happen only 1 and 2 okay. What is the impact of teacher? It is my personal experience. When I used to study on my school, they what they giving a homework system, 3 page classwork, 3 page homework, it's done. they don't do any like extra curriculum, they don't everything is started cramming, you don't getting anything, start cramming, like such type of things. And it's happened every student, not especially for me. And I think that time I consider I am a good student for my teachers and they appreciate every time. But when I completed my 10th board, when I getting a good marks, then everyone appreciated me for like a few days, how much marks you getting, how much, that time I feel good. But when I entered in 11th class, 11th standard, that time I feel what is the syllabus, my mind is out of syllabus, my mind is that time freeze moment when I used to enter in 11th standard, because their syllabus is tough and high, they don't match its syllabus, it don't match a 10th syllabus. And we feel it's happened lots of students, but they don't want to share they don't want to share their opinion. But I want to ask such type of problems.
So well, it's not hidden that what a kind of education that is provided in a school, especially in a private school or government school. They provide some homework, some classwork, and we done that thing, then we are considered that we are a good student. But what happens, and also they take some test, some examination, and on the basis of that examination, they judge any student that you are good, you are bad, you are poor student. But it should not be, because some students had a different mindset. Because if they would not have done, if they are not good in the studies, then they might be good in other things. The same, the school should not be in this syllabus they're going in a same way. The same, it is told that if you want to make your life good, then there must be ups and downs.
Yeah, in a straight line.
In a straight line, it should not be good. The same happens in a school. They are going in a straight line from a long time. From a long time, it's going on the same way. The same. There must be ups and downs. Ups and downs means what? They must change their syllabus, the way of teaching, how they teach, how they provide. Sometimes they do some extra skills. They provide some extra skills. They should participate in some sports game. Because what happens if I have talent, then I don't know that I have talent. But what happens, the other will know that no, this guy has the talent. But there is need of that environment. But if we will create, but in the schools, we made like a syllabus model schools.
Yeah, due to these things, we ignore our talent.
Yeah, we ignore, and what happens now? We become a part of crowd.
Yeah.
We are running after marks. We are running after appreciation. Because whenever we get good marks, when we are considered in the class, oh, this is the boy who got the first rank in the class. Give a big hand for him. What about the loser? Yeah, they provided some that kind of knowledge which are not useful for us, because from a long time they provide some syllabus models that is not good, because we are becoming a part of crowd. We are running after the marks, appreciation every time. We just think about, if I will get the first rank, then I will be appreciated. But we don't find out what is needed in our life. That will not help you. If you got a first division in any field, then that will not help you, let you become a successful person. Because whoever I see this time who is on the top position, no one was a topper.
Yeah, or we all are living 21st era, but still we are running, getting good marks. We don't care about a skill. We don't think a skill is, how much a skill is important. Then what about?
Yeah, well, it's very far on the schools, like they provide a skill. Because they are the same, I would say they are syllabus model skill, but rather it should be provided as skills. Because now what happens when person gets maturity, he find that whatever I was taught, that was not appropriate, whatever I had needed. Because once I was listening to a person who was studied from IIT Mumbai, and he has got a best job, highest high paying job. He was earning 4 lakhs per month, but he had not satisfaction. He wanted something different. He had an idea that whatever I am doing, that is not for me. He quit his job. Just, you can understand how much tough it is. He wanted to follow his passion, his skill. His skill was what? Content creation. He started making content and got success. After, just you can think that cracking IIT or JEE is someone's dream. But after cracking, after studying, after getting a job, someone's find that skills are better than education.
Because we all are running, getting good marks. That's the reason we all are unemployment still in 21st era.
Yeah, because what happens now, people have made in our society that if you are doing job, then you are good, you are a good person, you have reputation. But if you are doing work, if you are earning by a business, or if you are entrepreneur, then no one gives you value.
No
Whether
one can support.
yeah, no one will support you because now people's mindset has made. Because if I talk about America, then most of the persons are millionaires there. Most of the person. Why? Because they don't focus the syllabus. They don't focus over that I will pass the examination, this exam, that exam. Rather than they focus on how can I build myself, how to do business. There you will find very less people there who are poor. But in India, most of the people are poor because of their mindset, because they are following others and they whom they are following, they too don't know what is the real study.
And I think now I feel good because you say like a harsh reality of Bihar, okay? And I think a lots of people, those people, they see our video and they learn what is the reality of education system of Bihar, and they learn so many things. So really today I feel good because it's a fantastic talk with you and I get a lots of information, and so that's all. Thank you.